today we're going to be going to review factorization. Factorization is a process where you simplify algebraic expressions. There are many ways to do factorization, including identities, taking common factors. So let me give you an example. Suppose you have an expression like this: x squared plus 3x plus 2. Now, how are you going to simplify this? So, the first step is you're going to multiply the constant of this term with the constant of this term. So, here there is nothing, so you're going to consider it as 1. So, 1 into 2 is equal to 2. So, you're going to split 2 into the different ways it can be expressed as a product of the factors. So, we have 1 and 2. So, keep in mind that each and everything is plus, so there will be no negative signs in the whole thing. Now we have to ensure that the sum of these two will be equal to the coefficient of the second term. Now there's only one way you can do it for 2, so here you have it. So if you can express now 3x as 3x equal to x plus 2x. So now you can express the whole thing as x squared plus x plus 2x plus 2. So now you can take x common in this 2. So x of x plus 1. Now here's one more trick I recommend you to do. Now you paste x plus 1 here also. Now you must find out what you should multiply to get 2x plus 2. So if you multiply plus 2, so into x, 2 plus 2x, plus 2 into 1, plus 2. So we have plus 2. Now if you see x plus 1 is common here, so you can take the whole bracket common and it will become x plus 1 of x plus 2. Done. So that is one way using the identity x plus a of x plus b equal to x squared plus ab x plus a plus b x plus ab. So yeah, so this is one way of doing it. You do not need to bother this is an identity and all that stuff. You just need to know how to factorize it. Now there are other ways of factorization. So like, what if I give you x squared plus 8p, okay, we make this omelette, make this 4x squared plus 8p plus 4. So now how are you going to do this? So you can use the identity a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now we're not going to go over many of these problems in this video because we're going to mainly focus on these type of problems, okay? So this is just an introduction, so you just know what's happening here. So now you can express 4x as 2x square, right? And now, so the second term we have is 2ab. So plus 2 into 2 into 2p, right? And expresses like this, right? Plus 4 can be expressed as 2 square. So now you see the way we write here is matching to this. So you can express this as 2x plus 2 whole square. How do you know 2x and 2? So this is b, this is a. So a plus b whole square. So 2x plus 2 whole square. Now I'll give you some more problems on this so you can understand. So first problem, 5p squared plus 25p plus 20. Now how are you going to do this? There are two methods. I'm going to teach you the method I think is best. So my method is, as I told you, multiply the constant of this term with this term. So you get 100. Now split 100 as product of factors. And you should try to get the sum as 25. So let's see. We have 1 into 100. If you sum it up, it's 101. Nope. 2 into 50 equal to 52. Nope. 3, not possible. 4 into 25, you get 29. Nope. But 5 into 20 you get 25. So this is the correct one. So now you write it as a sum, plus 5p plus 20p plus 20. Now if you take 5p common, you have 5p of p plus 1. Write p plus 1 again. Now find out what to multiply. So 20 into p plus 1 is equal to 20p plus 20. So you get it like that. So plus 20. So now take this common. So you get p plus 1 of 5p plus 20. So this is the answer for this question. Now the other way which I mentioned is taking out of this equation, you can take 5 common on everywhere. So that way you would not have to multiply it, you just have to split this term instead of the multi-product. So you have less numbers, but then it's kind of a little confusing sometimes, so I do not prefer it, but I'll show it nevertheless. So if you take 5 common, you get p square plus 5p plus 4. Now it's easier, right? You can more easily factorize 4. So 1 and 4 equal to 5. You get it in first try. So 5 of p square plus p plus 4p plus 4. So you get 5 of p plus 1 of p plus 4. I'm pretty sure you would have understood the background behind it. So, and in case you're wondering the answer, in case you're thinking what the answer is not the same, it technically is the same. So if you multiply 5 and p plus 4, you get 5p plus 20 of p plus 1. So this is actually the same thing. Do not get confused there. Now you may use some other problems. I'll give you one more problem, but this time we're going to add a negative number. So this time we can take m square minus 8m plus, minus 105. Now how are we going to do this? So you see now, if there's a minus, you should notice if the constant term with no variables has a minus. If it's minus, that means there's one number which has minus, not both. And then next you have to check the middle term. If it is negative, that means the larger number is negative. Now you can, as there is nothing here, you can just factorize 105. So 105 you can express it as minus 15, 7. If you go by the other ways, I'm just showing the answer because I know it. You can check by all the possible terms, but only this will give you an answer. So I'm not showing the whole thing now, but you must try it every time you do it, okay? So because this middle term has negative, so the larger number will be negative. So now if you add these two, you'll get minus 8. So m square minus 15m plus 7m. Remember, because the constant term has only a negative, that means there's only one negative term. So this one will become positive. So m square minus 15m plus 7m minus 105. Now if you could take m common here, m minus 15 plus 7 common here, m minus 15. So m plus 7 of m minus 15 is your answer. Now hope you all understood. Till then, bye. Thanks.